What's going on, all my riders and gliders? I know it's been a minute, but I'm back here with another video. It's gonna be quick. Today, we're going to talk about the new tires I put on the Honda Navi. Check it out. All right, guys, so I actually went with the Kenda 413s. There was a few other options I had in mind, some Michelins, maybe some Pirellis. But the issue I had, I kept finding it hard to find things in stock, whether it be the tire size or maybe they have a front, no rear, vice versa. So I really just got tired of waiting. Was in the Facebook groups trying to see what people ran. A lot of people were running the Kenda 413s, so I thought I'd give it a try. So I got both front and rear tires, same day. I got them from Amazon. I will link that in the description for you guys. It was from two different vendors though. So for the front, I went with the size 110/70 by 12. And for the rear, I went with 130 by 70 on a 10-inch wheel. So I do have a clip of comparing the stock tires to the Kendas. So I'll cue it now. As you can see, man, these guys are pretty thick, real thick. Definitely a big difference in that aspect. Took them for a ride. They worked really nice. I mean, the bumps felt a little more cushiony, I don't know, for lack of a better term. I did take it on a road here. I have a main road that has one of those speed detectors. That's the way I tested them to see if my speedometer was wrong or off by anything. Speed limit was 30, I went 30. The speedometer read 30. The radar read 30. So, I mean, I didn't track any loss of accuracy in the speedometer. If you guys are running this, let everybody know in the comments your experience, but that's just my personal experience there. So I will say installation, boy. So I went with, or I tried to go to like local tire shops, you know, like the small mom and pop shops, see if they would like swap out my, you know, my tires on my wheels. I took the tires off. Nobody wanted to do it, ironically. So I was like, well, guess I'm gonna learn today. So I ordered the spoons, you know, to take off the tire off the wheel, the rim guards, got all that on Amazon. I'll go ahead and link that below. I did get the spoons though from AutoZone. AutoZone did have a set there for me. I just got the rim guards from Amazon, but I'll link that as well. So I started off with the front tire, which wasn't too bad. It wasn't too bad to put that new tire on. Now the rear, man, because of the thickness of it, it was pretty hard. I'm not gonna lie, like I was sweating, I was cursing, reflecting on life. But you know what? In perseverance, in hard work, I got it done. I looked at a lot of videos on YouTube on how to do it. So I will say heating up your tire, like with the heat gun or leaving it out in the sun, does help. It makes it, you know, more pliable. So that does help. Please do that. It'll make your life a little easier. Not a whole lot, but a little. So that was a challenge. After I did get the wheel on, I took it to the tire shops that told me no in the first place to at least air up, which they did. Okay, so I'm very grateful for that. Aired it up, RTG ready to go, and we're left with this nice stance. So I'm gonna show y'all the bike with the stance. Y'all let me know what y'all think. All right, so that's the stance. I think it looks pretty good. I mean, I'm not mad about it. I'm pretty happy with it. Looks good. I had to take the rear fender off, as you saw. It was too fat to fit. So we took that off. It's just a couple of bolts and it comes right off. So, which is good. It was easy to take off, so no complaints there. The front wheel, the front tire, it fits just right. It's perfect. Any bigger, it would be rubbing. So it's perfect. When I first got the tires, I took the tire and wheel off, and then I put the new tire to see if it would rub, and it was rubbing, so I was kind of scared, but I didn't take into account that once you put the wheel in, it kind of opens up the forks, makes the forks wider, obviously, so it worked out pretty good. But yeah, so yeah, the Kenda 413s, you guys check them out. Relatively inexpensive, so it's a good upgrade. I like it. It definitely, the bumps feel a lot better for sure. I'm not gonna say a lot better, it's marginal. You know, every difference to me was marginal. Bumps did feel better. Was it night and day? No, not in my opinion. The cornering was good. Night and day, I don't know. I'm not a big risk taker on these corners. I don't try to see how far I can lean, so I can't tell you what angle you're safe on versus the stock. So, but I mean, it felt nice. The tires felt like they grabbed the ground, hugged the ground. So like I said, no complaints, guys. Let me know if you run the Kenda 413s or if you chose a different tire. I know a lot of people had good luck with Michelins, so y'all make sure y'all let everybody know in the comments, not just myself, but this is a community, so I want everybody to kind of ping pong off each other, benefit from not only the video, but benefit from the people in the comments as well, because all my subscribers are very helpful, so I appreciate you guys putting in your 2 cents and your experiences. So again, I'm gonna wrap this one up. This was a quick video, you guys. I will have another video coming up showcasing the new purchase that we got here. Until then, like the video, subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.